Yeah, hi guys. I am Shalabh Saxena. I work in Dabur India Limited into marketing and advertising department. So I handle the media and execution part of Dabur. Here I joined XLRI for the general management program for the executive professional, and I learned so much in this program in the one entire year, which include the corporate leadership, uh, operation management, building networking with the genius people in the industry, and overall 360-degree campus immersion will help me in my mid-career growth. So this program will definitely will help all the youngsters who are in the mid-career path and who are uplifting their career in the for the leadership roles. So this is fantabulous. So my takeaway from this immersion is when you come for the campus immersion for the 2 to 3 days, twice in a year, you build a rapport with the industry people, the senior leader who are already part of the group, and to interact with the professor who are also the reputed in the industry with a lot of experience and knowledge. So this will help you in gaining network. This will also help building industry connect and to enhance the knowledge. So my advice to the youngster and working professionals, so all of us should uplift and gain some knowledge and include studies at a regular interval of time, at least after every 5 years. And this program will help you in moving on the further journey in your career path.